Okay, this one is fixed. Fixed means you cannot change any connections. The connections are already made and you have to live with that. Here you can see these four connections. That means this one, this one, this one, and this one. This 4 AND gate output is connected to first OR gate, right?
Yes,
This
sir.
one, this one, this one, this one. These 4 are connected with the second OR gate. Next 4 are connected with the third OR gate. And the
Third OR gate.
last 4 is connected with the last OR gate. So these are actually fixed. You cannot change. Okay. So
Okay.
what are the differences? See, previously, remember our AB was common for O1 and O3. That's why we take only one AB and we made the connection, right? Common connection. That means one AB was used in 2 OR gates. One AB was used in 2 OR gates because our what is that? Our examples or our expression was like that: A bar B bar AB, A bar B, A B bar, and AB. Can you see that? AB is common in both equation. That's why we only made one AB and share it. We take the connection between O1 and O2. Got my point? But right now, you cannot, in case of PAL, you cannot do this. You cannot take these AND gate common to 2 OR gate. No, you cannot take it because only one AND gate will go to only one OR gate. Okay? What do I mean by that? You will see within 2 or 3 minutes. Here, this is the connections. If you have a connections, you will keep the cross. If you do not have a connection, you will remove the cross. Cross means connection is there. Now, by default, all the connections are there. That means all the fuses are connected. If you need the fuse, you keep the fuse. If you do not need it, you blow it. Got my point? Ideally, all the all the fuses are connected. Now, by default, the result is 0. All the results are 0. Why 0? Do you know why 0? Because A is connected. Here you can see A is connected. A bar is also connected. So if you multiply A into A bar, what is the result?
0.
0. So all the result of the AND gates are 0. All the results are 0. That means if this 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 is added in this OR gate, the result will also be 0, right?
Yes.
So all the results are also 0 by default. That means at the beginning. At the beginning, all of them are 0. That means this is an empty. Do you understand empty? That means this is an empty or fresh, PAL, fresh. That means now you have to program it. Got my point?
Yes, sir.
So let's do one example. Here, they said the input lines of the AND gate array are programmable, and the output lines of the OR array are fixed, obviously, and are programmable or are fixed. That is the only difference between PLA and PAL. In PLA, that means the previous one, both of the AND gate and OR gate were programmable. But in case of PAL, only AND gates are programmable, OR gates are fixed. Okay?
Okay.
So what you have to do, you have to simplify the what is that? You have to simplify the logic function using K-map. You already know it, right? From digital electronics class. Remember?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
You have to simplify the function. Okay, so this will be better. If you do not simplify it, your PAL will be bigger. Your design will be bigger. Okay. So here we simplify it, and we are going to do it. Here you can see the example was something like this. O1 was CD plus A bar B bar BC bar D. Our O2 was only A bar B bar CD. Our O3
A, B, C,
okay,
or D.
A, B, C bar, D bar plus D.
Plus B, yes.
A, B, C bar, D bar plus
Plus
D.
D.
And our O4,
A
A
bar
bar
C
C.
A bar C,
plus
A bar B.
A bar B. Okay, is there any common? No common actually. Okay, let's make one common. Okay, now let's get back to our previous, that means the empty one, and we do the design. Okay, here you can see, what? You can see our O1 has C, D, A, B bar, A bar, B bar, B, C, D. So how many input we have? A, B, C, D. That means 4 inputs, right?
Yes.
Yes.
We have 4 inputs.
4
4
inputs.
inputs.
Okay. How many AND gate you need? So
3.
highest AND gate, highest. 1, 2, 3.
3.
That means highest is
Yes.
3. So 3 should be minimum number, right?
Yes.
And
Yes.
how many output we need? How many OR gate we need?
3.
O1, O2, O3, O4.
O3.
4.
Yeah,
Four.
4, right?
outputs,
So
yes.
this is the minimum number of specification you need. Minimum number of specification, minimum. Now, if I give you 5 into 4 into 4, is that okay? Is that okay? Because our minimum was 4, so I have given you 5, so that's okay. Our minimum was 3, I have given you 4, that's also okay.
4.
Our minimum was 4, I have given you 4. That's correct. So you can do it. You can do the design.
Yes.
Got my point? But
Yes.
if the design was like this, so 5, 4, 2, can you do that?
No.
No, you cannot do
Because
that.
we have 4.
Yeah, so you need only at least 4. So,
Yes.
so if I give you something like this, 4, 4, 4, can you do that?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Of course.
So,
yes.
so here it is 4 into 4 into 4. Not 4 actually. Here, that means 4 means you have 4, what? You have 4 AND gate
4 AND gate.
per OR gate. Got my point? So actually, how many AND gate you have here? Actual number. How many you have? 16
3.
actually. 16, not 3. 16.
16.
Actually, you have 16. Here you have 16. But why I have written 4 first? Because you have to understand how many AND gate you need. Because you cannot take common. Got my point? That's why.
Yes, sir.
That's why I have written 3. Actually, you do not need 3. You actually need 12. How many you
Yes,
need?
sir.
You need 12. But I have written 3 because what? Because our each OR gate needs 3. That's why I have written 3 first. Okay?
Yes.
So this one is 4 into 2, 16 into 4. 4 into 16 into 4. So we are going to design these using these. Okay? So let's use a different color. This is this color. Okay. Now, at first, O1. O1 is this 4, right?
Yes, sir.
4. Now, CD. CD means what? C should be connected and
D.
D should, D should be connected, right? C should be connected and D should be connected. And others are what?
A bar.
Others are?
0.
Others are 0. Others are gone. Got my point?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next one. So I can write CD. I will write CD to better understanding, for better understanding. A bar, B bar. Where is A bar? Here is A bar. Where is B bar? Here is B bar. Others are gone, right?
Again.
Yes.
A bar, B bar.
B bar.
Next one is B, C bar, D.
B,
What
C,
is
D
B?
bar.
This one is B.
Yes.
This one is C bar.
D. C bar.
This one is D. So I'm going to write B,
B, C bar.
D. Got my point? Next one.
Yes,
Do
sir.
you have anything else?
No.
No. But we have one AND gate extra, right?
Yes, sir.
What we will do with
Yes.
it? This one should be empty. Empty means what?
0.
0. 0 means what?
Empty.
0 means all of them will be connected, right?
Yeah. Yes. Sir.
0 means all of them will be connected.
Connected.
So because we do not need it, that's why. So these 4 These four are already connected. Can you see? You can see they are not crossed. They are actually hardware. They are actually fixed. These one, these one. They are already connected. So this is O1. Got my point?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now next, let's go to the O2. What is O2? This is O2. A bar,
sir.
B bar, C, D. Which one is A bar, B bar? A bar, B bar,
Bar.
C,
C, D.
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 Now you can take B, C bar, D here or here or here, anywhere. Because in between these four, you can use any two.
Any
Okay?
two.
Any two. So B, C bar, D. Remember, B, C bar, D was already there, right? In our first
Yeah,
expression.
it's common.
Common.
Yes.
But
Yes.
we cannot take common. We
Yeah.
cannot take common because
But-
that B, C bar, D was the part of O1.
O1.
Yes, sir.
It cannot be the part of O2, right?
Yes, sir.
Previously, in case of PLA,
BLA. Yeah,
we
we
could
can
have
take it
take-
common.
we
Yes.
could have just said like this, okay. We could have just make a connection there,
Yes. Sir.
okay? Right now we cannot do. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Got it.
Okay, now again we have to make it B, C bar, D. What is B? Here is B, C
C bar,
bar,
D.
Bar.
D. So I'm going to write okay, next two are nothing because they are actually zero.
All connect.
Okay, so you understand,
Yes.
right? They are all connected. They should be all connected.
Okay. It's 0.
So they are actually 0, 0. You got it, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
So the only thing you have to understand that you cannot take common. And next one is what? A, B,
Ouch.
C bar,
Ouch.
D. So next one is this one, A. Okay, let's take a new color. A, B,
B bar.
not B bar, C, C bar.
C
Oh,
bar.
B
D bar.
C bar, D.
D.
So A, B bar, A, B, C bar, D. Next one is D, only D. Only D means
Oh.
only D will be there. This is D. And what else? What else? Nothing, right? All of them will be
Nothing.
zero.
Connected. All.
Okay, they are all 0 and 0. Next one is what? A bar C, A bar B. Let's take a new color. A bar C. And A bar B. Next are 0, 0. You understand, right? All of them
Yes.
will be connected.
Yes, sir.
So this is your design right now. Okay. So the only thing you have to understand. Okay, remember, see here. Here you see our few AND gates are not used. In case of this one AND gate is not used. In case of this one, two AND gates are not
Two.
used. In case of this one, two AND gates are not used. In case of this one, two AND gates are not used.
So-
But since I have mentioned the size, you have to draw it. Got my point?
Yes.
If I mention the size, you have to draw it. আমি যদি তোমাকে বলে দেই the size যদি বলে দেই তোমাকে draw করতে হবে. You have to draw it and you have to keep them empty. Got my point?
Okay.
You
Yes,
have
sir.
to draw it and you have to keep them empty. So that is the design between PLA and PAL. You understood, right?
Yes, sir.
In case of PAL, if I give the PAL, you could have just you just make the common. Okay?
BLA.
PLA you can take common. So which one is better, PLA or PAL?
BL.
BAL.
PAL is better or PLA?
BLA, sir.
PLA,
Only
because you
take
can
it
take common, right? So that means
Yes,
your design
yes.
will be much simpler. You do not have to
Yes.
think, okay, this 4 will go here. Again, this 4 will go here. You do not have to think, right?
Yes, sir. Yes,
So
sir.
PLA is better. That is flexible. Okay, let's do some comparison. Let's do some comparison here. The PLA and PAL. Obviously, you said PLA is better. I also think PLA is better. Programmable logic array, that is PLA. Programmable array logic, that is PAL. PLA has both. Okay, the Azan is going on, so let's give a break. Okay.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
So programmable array logic and programmable logic array. So PLA has both programmable and or plain. That means and or, both of them are programmable. That means you can make connections in both cases. PAL, programmable array logic, has only programmable and plane, and or plane is fixed. That means you can only change in the and planes. The or plane is pretty much fixed. That means you cannot do anything else here. PLA has more flexibility, obviously, because if you need to take some common connections, you can take common connections. Your design will be smaller, and you can actually calculate very easily. Okay, these are my expressions. So these many AND gate I need. Okay, so PLA has more flexibility in logic function implementation. PAL has less flexibility because you have to take commons. No, you cannot take commons. You have to make them again. You have to think like that. PAL is quite difficult to manufacture, obviously, because this is the disadvantage of this one. Because this is more flexible, it has more fuses, and it has AND plane and OR plane. Both of them are what? Both of them are programmable. So it is difficult to manufacture. It is simpler to manufacture. This one. PLA has reduced speed performance. Obviously, this is a very distinct disadvantage of PLA. Why? Because you are using fuses. Okay, let's go back and let's see. You are using fuses, right? In OR gate,
Yes.
you are using fuses. Fuses means these fuses are smaller wire. That means thinner wire than these wires. These wires, that means these red wires. Okay, I'm going to draw. And this pink wire. Pink wires are the fuses. Red wires are the normal wire. Normal wires are thicker. That means they are bigger. Their radius is big. That means their resistivity is small. Their resistivity is small. But these fuses, they are very thin. Very thin means their resistivity is higher. If their resistivity is higher, that means they have what? They have reduced speed. They have less speed. They are slow. Got my point? If the resistivity is higher, remember, we will analyze that. If the resistivity is higher, you have more delay. You have more delay. Since PAL do not have any fuse here, it has less fuses, so it has more speed. So this one has reduced speed performance. PLA has, I have made a mistake here. This one should be PAL. Okay? They are all PAL. This one is maybe a mistake. So you fix it, okay?
Okay.
And here there's a mistake as well. I can see all the mistakes now. This one is PLA. This one is PAL, okay?
Yes.
Okay. PLA has reduced speed performance. PAL has good speed performance. PLA devices are manufactured in a larger number, obviously, because if they are not made in larger number, the cost will go up. The cost will go up because they are difficult to make. That's why they need to make in a larger number. Otherwise, their cost will be bigger. Cost. To reduce the cost, you have to make them in a larger size. Larger size means what? In larger number, in larger size, bigger, not a smaller one. Now, PAL devices are smaller, and you can make them in a smaller size and a smaller lot. You can make, let's say, hundreds of them or thousands of them. But in case of PLA, you have to make millions of them, and in bigger size, obviously. This one can be smaller size. This one should be bigger size. Otherwise, you cannot feed all those fuses. Okay? These are the differences between PLA and PAL. Now, you have to know one more important things. That is, here, this one. Okay? This one, the flexibility here is less. So what if I have given you something like this? O1 is CD plus A bar B bar plus BC D bar D plus ABC plus B bar, something like this. That means I have given you 5, but your PAL is 4. So you have 4, but I have given you an expression that is what?
4, 5.
That is 5. So others are okay. Others are fine. This one is fine. This one is fine. This one is fine. So others O2, O3, O4, they are all fine. But O1 has 5 what? Has 5 expressions. But I have given you this PAL. You cannot take a bigger PAL. You cannot take. You cannot take a bigger PAL. What you can do? Is there anything you can do? Of course you can do anything else. Of course you have something to do. What is that? You have to use a external circuit. Okay, let's do this. CD. So CD is here. A bar B bar is here. B C bar D is here. ABC. Okay, let's do some ABC. A, B, and C. So here you have ABC, right? So 4 of them, that means the first 4 are already what? Are connected, right?
Yes.
What you are left with? You are left with B bar, D bar.
B bar, B bar.
So from where you can put, from where you can take it? You can take it from here. You have B bar. Take a NOT gate. That means this is an external NOT gate. This is not part of the PAL. External NOT gate. Then bring the D. External NOT gate. Then you have an AND gate, right? This is an AND gate.
Yeah.
Take an AND gate. So what you are having here?
Another and
B bar, D bar, right?
Yes.
Now you have to add this result with the O1, right? Using a what?
Okay.
OR gate. Now this is your O1. So this external circuit that you are using, that is called logic expander. What? Logic expander. So if you have to use a logic expander, you can use it. This will give you an O1. So this is O2, O3, O4. This is not O1. Okay? O1 is this one.
Yes.
Got my point?
Yes.
This is called logic expander. So you can use logic expander if you need it. So when you need it, okay? But in case of PLA, you do not need any what? You do not need any logic expander because you can take common, right? You can take common. Here you can see some of them are 0, right? Some of them are 0. You can actually make the additional B bar D bar here, and you can take common, right? In case of PLA, remember? In case of PLA, you can take B bar D bar here, right? The additional B bar D bar that we have shown here, you could have taken it here. তুমি কিন্তু এখানে বানাতে পারতো এটাকে ওই আলাদাভাবে না বানায় এখানে বানাতে পারতা. So this is your B bar, this is your D bar. Then you can take it here. Got my point? And you blow it. Got my point? You could have removed this connection and you could have make the connection here in case of PLA because you can change your OR gate. So, but in case of PL, you cannot do it. So you have to use logic expander if your connections is bigger. If your connection is bigger one. Okay. Now in next class, because you have a class from 105. In next class we will start CPLD. Now, CPLD they are actually all theory. They are not designs. Theory. In memory we have some designs. We have some designs something like this. We have some designs. We will do the truth table, then we will make the design, then we will make the column design, then we will accumulate all of them, and we will make one 4x4 SRAM array in our next class. Okay. Then we have 1T DRAM cell. Then we have some differences. Then this lecture will be gone. Okay.
Okay, sir.